Hello everyone. We are back with amazing session. Thank you for the wonderful responses what we got on our email on our WhatsApp that you all are eagerly waiting for today's session. So welcome you on the session of Fuel Right to Feel Bright. What is this is about? Yes, you need to wait for 2 minutes. Let the curiosity go on. I Saili Maru, founder of findingback.com, a women's community who is looking after the wellness of women in terms of physical and emotional health. We are a wonderful woman who is on a mission of helping the woman to reclaim their physical and emotional health. As we had a session, last session on the 9 years and beyond, 9 months and beyond. Today we have amazing woman personality who is also on a mission of helping women to reclaim their physical health. So before we start the session, I would like to introduce my core team member, Dhruvi Malde. She is also a yoga instructor, a dietitian, and a holistic coach, helping us on a mission of achieving 100 women within the span of 2 months, helping them to reclaim their physical health. So Finding Back team is on a mission of helping 1,000 women by the end of 2021. So with this, we are going ahead for today's session. Fuel Right to Feel Bright. Welcome, Dhruvi. Over to you.
Thank you so much, Saili, for the wonderful introduction. Hello, everyone. Uh, I would like to say that this lockdown and this pandemic has made us all of think and relook at our physical health सबसे ज़्यादा. We have been neglecting this most of the time, but this pandemic led us to think of our most vital, gave us the most vital question that our physical health, our overall well-being is the most important thing. So now we need to focus to be fit, and not only to be fit, but to feel fit as well. So in today's session, let us learn how to prioritize our health, how to take good nutrition, right kind of nutrition, and make most out of our health. Let us welcome our today's speaker. She is a merit ranker nutritionist, a winner of Nutrition of the Year. She is also um, she is also a Nutripreneur of the Year, and recently she has been awarded as Nutripreneur of the Year, and she has an experience of more than 20 years in this field. She has been catering clients for blood pressure, diabetes, weight loss, weight gain, and many other diseases. She also has different programs for schools and corporates as well. We welcome you, Shilpa Mittal. Finding Back teams welcomes you.
Thank you so much for inviting me. Thank you, Saili and Dhruvi. And it's my privilege. You all are doing such a good job. Reaching 1,000 women in 2021, helping them out is a big mission, and all my support to you. So, all the best, and yes, congratulations.
Thank you, Shilpa.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Uh, Before starting the session, I am very curious to know that how did you started with your journey of becoming a nutritionist?
Okay. So Dhruvi, choosing nutrition was actually not my choice per se. So I
Okay.
belong to a Marwadi family, and as we were speaking earlier, I did my post graduation in 1997. So back then it was there that शादी के बाद आपको काम नहीं करना, in fact शादी के पहले भी. So that was like feeded in my mind कि whatever you are choosing, it's just for एक पढ़ी लिखी लड़की होनी चाहिए types of. So my dad was very clear about it, and he didn't want me to become, I mean, to take a field where I become too career oriented and then start demanding. So then I was little upset, and I told him, you search a field for me wherein I don't want my knowledge to get wasted post marriage if I'm not allowed to work. And today I'm very thankful to him that of course he must have done his research, and he came to me and he said this is there is something called home science. And I mean, whatever he knew that time, we just knew that food is a part of it, but thankfully he was aware that it was not just cooking but more to it. So I mean, he told me about the various specialization and the subjects, and somehow I got interested, and I told him yes. So way back then it was like you had to choose science with home science or arts with home science. So I was always interested in science, and that's how I chose science with home science in 11th and 12th. In 12th I topped the board in home science, and that's how I realized I was an average student till 10th, and that's how I realized that I'm actually really interested in this field. And then yes, when we had to choose in second year, I realized that my interest somehow lies in nutrition, and that's how I started studying nutrition. And luckily post marriage I got a family wherein they were very open minded, and my mother-in-law in fact wanted me to do something, since according to her I was like highly qualified. So, and I was just waiting for that opportunity. So I mean, I think whatever is written in your life happens through some or the other source. So quite blessed and really very thankful to my dad for choosing this field for me. So that's
Wow,
about
such
my.
a inspiring, yeah, such a inspiring story,
Yes.
Shilpa. And as you rightly said that, and me and Dhruvi also strongly believe that when you have a strong desire to do something, your intentions are very high, then
Right.
the opportunities always comes to you. God is also showering all the blessings to you. So I'm sure the audience who are really watching us, for you also, you wanted that session from us. We were getting the feedback like what session you are going to conduct, what kind of a program you are going to have in your community. We would really like to know about you. So definitely those who have messaged us and really wanted to know. So as we said, your desire is there to reclaim your health and make yourself fit and fine, not only for this year, but definitely throughout your life.
Further.
You should be physically and mentally fit, and you yourself can give an example to your children and your family members. So we
True.
strongly believe that, if a woman is healthy in a family, definitely the entire family is going to be healthy.
Very
Yes,
true.
but we women ourselves is not giving a priority on our health. Okay, I would say my example. When I was in my early 20s and early 30s, I was very ambitious. I was workaholic and like I was neglecting my health. And then one fine day, it was a call for me. Oh God, what are you doing, Siley? And that's how I came across Dhruvi, and she helped me to gain my health in a much better way. So that is why we are not able to keep our health on a priority base. We want to know कि okay, ये साल पे तो जनवरी में तो this year I'm going to look after my health. As Dhruvi rightly mentioned during the starting of a session, this pandemic has made us realize the importance of
Importance of
health,
our health.
right? And with this, at the starting of this month, the year of 2021, we are back with a session. Why the health is so important, and why we women are not taking it seriously, and how best keeping the responsibilities of household and children, still we can look after our health in a much better way. And that is what Shilpa is going to let us know, as she is also very well known and catering the client in various aspects. She is also catering a homemaker, also a entrepreneur, also a working woman. So Shilpa, our audience is really looking for many tricks how best they can actually take care of health, maybe while in the kitchen or maybe while giving some advice to their children, how without neglecting any of her responsibilities and priority, how best a woman can still take care of herself. We would like to know what is your take on into it. What would you like to give us, the woman, the message to women, like how they should look after their health?
Okay, that's a
What
very
is
good question, Sai. So, I would start with saying that we women are the backbone of our family. I mean, अगर हमको एक दिन बुखार भी आ जाती है या सर्दी खांसी भी हो जाती है, if we are not able to go to the kitchen, पूरा पूरा घर ऊपर नीचे हो जाता है. So, I mean, we just can't afford to even have that mild fever even for a day, because we know कि खाना तो कहीं से भी arrange हो जाएगा, but उसके बाद जो हमको पूरा करना पड़ेगा, and everything is too much. So yes, taking care of ourselves is very important. Usually I have seen in my counseling, a woman comes alone. अगर उसको diet plan चाहिए होता है, hardly उसके साथ कोई आता है. बट अगर वो आती है अपने बच्चे के लिए या हस्बैंड के लिए डाइट प्लान चाहिए होता है, she always accompanies. I mean, we are so caring for everybody in the family, be it in-laws, be it kids, be it husband. But when it comes to ourselves, I mean, many a times they tell me, मैम ये घर में कोई नहीं खाता, ये मैं अकेले के लिए नहीं बनाऊंगी. I understand that, but I always then tell them that कोई नहीं खाता, आप उन्हें सिखाएंगे. So what I want to say is, as you said, yes, career oriented women are there, and being a housewife is also a 24 hours job. It is not that she's free. So nowadays there are good cooking methods available. What I personally use is OPOS. You can Google and check it. It's one pot, one shot cooking. That's made my life quite easier. And I mean, it is like cooking healthy, nutritious minutes. The maximum it would take is right from 5 minutes to 10 minutes. That's it. You can
Wow.
just prepare a full meal using that technique. But yes, you need to follow the rules. You need to do standardization, lot of things. So those who are watching can Google it. They have various support groups also on Facebook. You can join. You can. They have recently released their book, so go check that out. Apart from that, I always advise women to plan their meals. This is very important. When you're planning, take involve all the family members. So what happens is, at least if you're not into the habit of planning for a week, start for at least 2 days. Start planning everything right from breakfast to dinner. So you are actually sorted, like what is to be made. सबसे बड़ा प्रॉब्लम यही होती है क्या बनाएं. I mean, the end moment decision, आज क्या बनाना है, and the whole thing revolves around it. So that's what I want to tell them. Just plan, start with a day's planning or at least 2 days planning, right from what is to be made, क्या तैयारी करनी है, like what are the pre-preparations. Especially for working women, I generally advise to keep a few things ready. Like few foods are quite versatile. Say when it comes to rice, paneer, sprouts. So if you're a non-vegetarian, chicken, fish, all these things can be easily stored in the fridge. So say if you have had a hectic day, all the offices are not yet started, but if you're coming home late and you don't know, if you don't have the energy to cook, or if you also had a long call, you had a hectic day, even when you're working online, if you have rice and some paneer, you just need to saute it, add some vegetables, add cooked rice to it, and you have a wholesome meal ready. You don't even need to then order food from outside because you're tired and you have no energy to cook. So this was just one example. So planning the meals is very important. And yes, search for, as I said, OPOS. So and yes, when it comes to activity, many a times women tell me that, ma'am, time nahi hai. So just take out 5 minutes, do a walk, do some stretching exercise, do some yoga. Do it consistently in a disciplined manner is what I would want to say. So even if 10-15 minutes of activity throughout the day is actually going to work somewhere rather than no activity. So this is what I would want to advise the women in our network, especially watching this.
Yes, and along
Very
with the
nice.
family planning, they can plan with the family. What you told कि 2 दिन पहले, तो if they can plan with the family, kids involved है, husband involved है, तो और भी easy हो जाएगा उन लोगों के लिए. right?
Right.
Yes. So my next question to you is, uh, what is your magic mantra? Like throughout the day, how you plan your meals,
Okay.
your
So yes,
regime, your health regime.
yeah. So as I am advising others, I also plan my meals. Of course, full week का नहीं होता. I plan it for 3 to 4 days, and my health regime is very simple. So I always wake up to a glass of water. Then there is few nuts, and I love tea, so cannot stay without normal अपनी चाय दूध की चाय with little sugar in it. And I cannot eat too much at one go. That's been since so many years. What I work on myself and my family is I try to work on the nutrient density. Nutrient density is like even if you're eating one roti, see to it that it's very nutritious. So in my house, you will never find just plain roti. Either there is something added to it, sometimes some microgreens. I always keep dry herbs, something like tulsi, pudina, methi. Currently, I have my sister has a farmhouse and she's given me dried moringa leaves, so that is going in my atta. I at times need add milk to it, sometimes curd, sometimes soya flour, sometimes besan. So I see to it that whatever I am eating or even I'm cooking for the family, even if they eat just a bowl full of it, they are going to get even more nutrition that is actually present. And I always carry some, I mean, you will always find in my purse a small box of either dry fruits. If dry fruits are over, then there would be some peanuts or there would be some fruit, depending on the season, like oranges, and I like oranges. So some, so there is always something. As I advise my women clients that eat every 2 hours, I generally follow that. Only one thing is I'm very low in terms of my water intake, and that I have been working, constantly setting reminders. I have apps. So even I am not perfect. Even I have short goals, and I also keep myself reminding, and I try working out creative ways to have water. And so that's how I try to finish my dinner early. Early means it's not at 7, definitely 8:30 is maximum. So I mean, like a normal Indian women, like we tend to feed everybody. So because of me, they also generally tend to eat dinners early. And I think this every women can try when everything is not started off completely. So we can at least try doing this.
So as you said that you start your day with nuts and water, but generally what women are like, they tend to drink tea as soon as they wake up. What is their tendency? कि kickstart करने के लिए they drink tea. This is the general tendency with all the women. So what do
Right.
you recommend or suggest that? Do you suggest it is advisable to drink caffeine early in the morning? I don't think so, but I would really like to know it from you.
Okay, so yes, Dhruvi, many people have the habit. So I generally tell them to have a glass of water the first thing, then possibly they can eat a fruit or maybe a few nuts, and then after 10 minutes they can have their cup of caffeine. Because I think caffeine is something which actually gives them that kick. So, but I always advise them to eat something or at least have a glass of water before directly having caffeine.
Right, right. Because
Then
otherwise
especially
acidity will build up if they
yes,
have it
yes, true.
empty stomach. Yes.
Yeah, then we have also like one of my client when she came to us so we observed like she was came to us for some emotional health for emotional issues. But when we were speaking to her, we realized that she herself is not taking care of her health, physical health, and which is impacting her emotional health very badly. So this is what I think what you said, it's overall health, but the everything should start with your basic
Very true.
food, your food habits, what you are putting in your mouth, in your tummy, that reflects in your brain, right? Basically,
True,
what
true,
we say, ना
very true.
हम जो खाते हैं वो दिखता है, like Your brain, your emotions, your personality will always reflect, will give always idea what kind of a food you are putting. So it's not only the thought what we are putting, what kind of a food, what kind of a fuel we are putting to get charged up. So basically,
Right.
I realized that woman is not taking care of herself physically, like lot of responsibilities. For example, like she at 12 o'clock also she will wake up and she will put some almond, soaking in a water. But when she wakes up in the morning, she will give that almond to all the family members, even her son, in-laws,
Right.
and husband. But she will not have that, okay, chalo, maybe do chilke kha leti ho, which will also give me a boost. So I think a minor change in our thinking, in our lifestyle, that will really help women to actually, take care of herself. So like when we said to her, okay, you also can do take care of your health, like keeping just minor changes. दो बादाम खा लिया तो क्या होता है, सुबह आप सबको तो दे रहे हो. तो लाइक उतना टाइम ही नहीं रहता है मैडम मेरे पास सुबह सुबह दो बादाम छिलके खाने का. So here I think it's on a mindset. We really need to change the mindset. अगर आप चाय रख रहे हो साइड में दो बादाम छिलके खाने को, it takes less than a 1 minute. But that badam will also give you a lot of energy. What you say, Shilpa?
Yes, so almonds anyways are good. They give you good amount of fiber, protein, and good fats. So I mean, every woman has a dream of having good skin, good hair. So that is an excellent tip that they can start their day with this, and I mean, it will give them a good skin and hair for the lifetime. Siley, just tell me one. Are you able to see my camera well, or am I stationary?
Uh, you are like we are able to hear
Stationary.
you
Yes.
clearly, but yeah, at a
Yes.
stationary, yeah.
So can I just switch off and on the camera?
I think that will be great if it's possible.
Yeah, because it is
Otherwise, your
stationary
voice
for
is
me.
very audible.
Yeah, so just give me a second and I'll do that and see.
Yeah, yeah, sure,
Yeah,
sure.
sure, sure.
So, Dhruvi, what we have been, dealing in finding back in our coaching, and
Yes.
I think that is what the best of minor changes. Just doing a minor changes in our
Shifting.
routine life,
Yes.
we can
Can
make
make
lot of
wonders.
difference in ourselves. Yeah.
Yes.
So that is what our request to all the women, that giving that early 2 minutes and 5 minutes to yourself is really going to work wonders for you.
Wonders.
या डोंट से दैट 2 मिनट और 5 मिनट का टाइम नहीं मिलता है मॉर्निंग में हमें,
हमें
अदरवाइज इट
निकालना
विल
पड़ता है वो.
निकालना पड़ेगा. इट्स ऑलवेज बेटर
Yes.
डॉक्टर के पास जाके हमें 1 घंटा 2 घंटा बर्बाद करने से अच्छा है मॉर्निंग के एटलीस्ट 5 to 10 minutes वी कैन जस्ट गिव इट टू आवरसेल्व्स एंड वी डिजर्व दैट, डोंट यू थिंक, right?
Yes,
Could
we
be
do.
yeah, 2 minutes, okay, eating badam or maybe soaking that what do we say, manuka, and we can have that. Or maybe while standing we can do the 3 deep breathing also,
Yes,
right,
even the
Ruby?
stretches. Yes, even you can do different kind of stretching exercise just for 5 minutes, either breathing, either eating, or any stretches. That will make lot of difference. Just as Shilpa also said, be consistent with it. You need
Yes.
to be consistent for everything, whatever you do.
सिर्फ इतना याद रखो, अगर आज 5 मिनट नहीं दिया खुद के लिए तो बाद में 5 दिन देना पड़ेगा बैठ पे. सो वी रियली नीड टू अवॉइड दैट थिंग, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट only what you are going to suffer, your kids are going to suffer, your other family members are going to suffer. So that's what we really want you to focus on your health by changing your mindset and by changing your daily routine habits. A tiny habits
Tiny
can
habits.
create a major wonder in your life. So,
Difference.
all the wonderful women listening to us, make a note of it. What are the habits which is not letting you to grow physically and emotionally? Write down those lists. Let us know. You can email to us or you can just join our Finding Back community on the Facebook. Let us know and how best we can help you to, come out of your problem. So that way we will be also able to see how best you can achieve your health. What you say, Dhruvi?
Yes.
You can put your
Yes,
question and
Shilpa.
queries on the Facebook group also. Yes, Shilpa.
Shilpa.
So we were
Yes,
just
so I'm
talking
able to
about,
sorry.
yeah, we
Very
were just
sorry
talking
and
that, It's okay, Shilpa. We were just sharing that how our tiny habits can help us to reclaim our health, you know. It will really how best or could be a tiny habit can create a wonder in our life. So thanks
True,
for
true.
sharing your health resume, Shilpa, because we all wanted to know how a nutritionist who is always busy and who is dealing with a client, how she is taking care of herself. So when a busiest person is able to manage her health and her family health, so definitely I think those who are listening to us and watching to us, definitely we can say that even we can do that. And nothing is late, nothing is wrong into it. Taking care of yourself, keeping yourself on a priority basis, nothing is wrong into it, right? If you really want to flourish in life, you have to
To
nourish. And that
nourish.
is what, yeah, Shilpa is going to say us how best we can nourish ourselves in different phases of our life. Like Shilpa, we have women who are from 25 years age to 45, 48, and 50 years of age. We go through a lot of physiological changes, be it
True.
it's teenage, then it's pregnancy, post-pregnancy, and
Lactation,
lactation,
menopause.
menopause. And I know all the stages, it's not at all easy for women in both
True.
area, physical and emotional both way. But
Right.
what areas you think that you could really help us to know our woman how best she can take care of herself during pregnancy, post pregnancy, and particularly at menopause, because the hormonal levels and are very high. They made women crazy. What we all say that how a woman can take care of herself so that phase can become little more smoother to them.
Okay, yes, Siley, that's important question, and I think many women struggle during this phase because, as I mean, you are also in this field, you must also be facing such women. Not only say the physical, the emotional part also gets disturbed with kids and lot of things. So I would tell you the key nutrients which are needed during these stages. So I mean, so that everybody can take care. The top for me is iron. For a woman any stage of life, iron is very important. India almost 70% women are anemic and our problem starts with that. Any women coming to me, मैम बहुत low energy है मुझे, बिल्कुल energetic feel नहीं करता, I feel tired, I feel lethargic. I hope the ones who are watching can relate to this. And whenever you get their blood test, a simple hemoglobin checked, most of them are below the desirable levels. And still they will say, मैम ये तो बहुत better है मेरा तो इससे भी कम होता है. But then we need to aim to get it right.
Correct.
So iron plays a very very important role. And iron आपको बहुत easily मिल जाएगा with of course dry fruits like dates, anjeer, you have rajgira atta, you have chana flour, that is besan which we use regularly, we have green leafy vegetables, we have beets which of course do not have too much of iron but they support iron absorption. So not just getting iron is important, but I would say the bioavailability. So there are certain factors like vitamin C. Presence of vitamin C helps in better uptake of iron. So that also needs to be taken care of. Of course, Sankranti is just gone, so even still our good source of iron is calcium. Even
Calcium.
Nachini, that is ragi. So iron tops my list. Then comes this calcium. So even calcium is important, be it pregnancy or lactation or even menopause.
Menopause.
So yes, calcium, and yes, along with that vitamin D, which will help in better uptake and absorption of calcium. So calcium women can easily get by having dairy products, milk and its product like curd, paneer. Of course, cheese I will not recommend. Apart from that, even if they are eating a non-vegetarian diet, egg, chicken are again a good source of calcium. They are, yes, do not like to have milk, the diet needs to be planned really intelligently well. Few seeds, dry fruits, nuts and all are good sources, but the amount and all, please go to a qualified dietitian because you will really need good quantities to support your bone health. Sorry. Come to is high protein, high or say even meeting the normal protein. So proteins again play a important role. Say of course in pregnancy there is a lot of hormonal up and down going in. Similarly, even in menopause. So proteins do a lot of wear and tear, and proteins are not so difficult to get. All your pulses, legumes, sprouts, non-vegetarian foods like egg, chicken, fish, milk, and milk products will give you good quality protein. Then fiber. Yes, fiber becomes very important because I have seen many a times, even in pregnancy, lactation especially when women are not eating so much of fiber, more concentration is on our laddus and ghee and all. So fiber in terms of seasonal fruits and vegetables play an important role even in menopause, because at times the hormonal up and down create, I mean, women face a lot of constipation during that age. Then yes, water. Of course, water doesn't count under nutrients, but it is very important for hydration. And last but not least is good fats, especially omega-3 fatty acids, which are particularly of importance in menopause. So these are the key nutrients if a woman takes care of these key nutrients. And yes, folic acid. Folic acid especially for the pregnancy and in the lactation phase, and that can be easily, one can get it through seeds, through dry fruits, through green leafy vegetables, through whole grains. So not very tough. In short, if you see the sources I have been saying is like a kind of a balanced diet, eating and eating everything. So I think I mean the woman remember ki this nutrient, she just needs to remember that she needs to eat everything.
But here I would like you to clear one more myth. What females have that pregnancy में उन लोगों को दो लोगों का खाना खाना होता है, which is
Yes.
actually not true. But I would really
Right.
like you to tell.
Okay, very good question. I mean, very good myth, Dhruvi, you've pointed out. Yes, and that's how I think they eat double and then they put on the, I mean, more than the 10 to 12 kgs of weight. So, yes, the energy requirement doesn't even increase in the first three trimester, and after that, it is just 300 calories which is increased, which can be, I mean, which you can easily get, I mean, get in the diet by increasing just a chapati and a banana. So you don't need to double your diet per se, but just, I mean, you need to increase your diet only a little bit. Similarly, in terms of protein, also it doesn't go double. You just, I mean, 10 to 12 grams of protein extra. But of course, you should be able to meet your prior, I mean, pre-pregnancy protein requirement. Otherwise, the gynac will put you on supplements. So that was very good, Dhruvi. I mean, the very important myth, and
Yes.
are seeing so much of problems in pregnancy too.
Yes, and then
Yeah,
I suggest if you eat for two people, you need to work out for two people as well after your pregnancy.
Right, right. True.
and what Dhruvi said, like, and that after immediate after pregnancy, like in 3 months or 6 months, woman starts doing the crash diets. I want to look fit. I really want to lose my 10 kgs in just 2 months. तो ये बहुत हो चुका है, like when we interact with women and all, we realize कि she is not feeling good about her overweight. वो उसका इतना टेंशन ले लिया है और वो लूज नहीं कर पा रहे वेट, तो वो गुस्सा कहाँ ना कहाँ उनके रिलेशनशिप पे आ रहा है, मे बी विद पार्टनर, मे बी विद किड्स, और वो फ्रस्ट्रेशन पे शी कैन नॉट कंट्रोल हर ईटिंग हैबिट्स। तो इन अ वे
True.
एक साइकिल में वुमन आ जाती है और उसे पता नहीं चलता है कि कहाँ से मैं शुरुआत करूं। सो व्हाट इज योर व्यू इनटू दिस, शिल्पा, कि how a woman really need to look after her health? Like, is it possible कि एक महीने में और 2 महीने में 10 kgs लॉस करना ही है, और maybe when you are actually feeding a baby, and is it really going to affect your baby, the quality of milk, or maybe the health of a baby? So what is your view into it?
Yes, Saili. I mean that is very important. It is like many mothers feel कि हमने इतना put on किया है, they just want to reduce it ऐसे फटाफट. Within month, they do
Right.
not realize कि you have put on, I mean, over a period of time. So एक झटके में हम नहीं कर सकते. And as you mentioned earlier कि that frustration and anger all is like also built up और वो निकलता है husband पे. So even they are not able to manage their emotions well because they are
Yeah,
not basically. If
true.
you put the right fuel, as we are talking today, you will be in a better position to manage your moods. I mean, there are so many foods which will help you have a balanced mood basically. So I want to give them this message that this is a short term happiness. Fat diet या कोई शादी attend करनी है immediately, that's how they want to go on a crash diet
True.
या some
Correct.
powders. And so health can never be found in pills and powders. It is only found in food. And मेरे को यही एक एडवाइस उनको करनी है कि जब भी आप ऐसे कोई डाइट पे जाए तो ये सोच के जाइए कि will you be able to eat this kind of diet throughout your life? Of course not, because deficiency set in होगी. So once you are on crash diet, the moment you go on a normal diet, जितना वजन आपने कम किया है उतना सारा का सारा वजन add on हो जाएगा. So of course that again not going to help you. So yes, fat diets are definitely no. And बाहर से आपको लगता है कि body कम ज्यादा हुई है, but internally the internal organs actually have to face a lot of stress. And I have seen in my counseling that many a times just because of this ये yo-yo के वजह से they have landed up in lot of hormonal imbalances. There's tremendous amount of hair loss and a lot of other issues which I mean they would not even relate कि ये मैंने क्रैश डाइट कभी की थी और उसके वजह से मेरे को हुआ है. So I would always advise them, please don't harm or abuse your body so much कि later on in later stages of life the body actually gives up completely.
True, true. Thank you so much, Shilpa, on giving us light on this topic, because what we realize when they come for a counseling, they start having emotional issues, and when we dig out, then finally we realize कि problem यहाँ पे है, because of a weight woman is not feeling about good about herself, and then the emotional issues and relationship issues they start. So here we would really like woman to accept your body
True.
as it is, accept it and start working on it. As Shilpa rightly mentioned at the beginning of the session, consistency matters, right? You need to be very consistent about looking after yourself. आपने एक दिन कर लिया, 2 दिन नहीं किया, वापस आपको पता है 2 महीने के बाद शादी में जाना है, then again I'll start today. Don't do that. Do it, could be for half an hour or 15 minutes. Okay, start with one type of meal at a time, कि at least मैं एक morning का proper meal ले लूंगी करके. Start at a one habit at a time, and then you can look after yourself, and you can actually come to know what is suiting you and what best you can do of gaining your health back. So that's wonderful, Shilpa. It's very very important, because we women are not being consistent,
So
and
I
that's
would
what is
just want
very.
to add, yeah, sorry, Saili, I just, as you
Yeah,
said,
yeah, it's okay.
accepting yourself, that's very important because many a times I mean, they also need a supportive family, especially
True,
supportive spouse who should not keep pointing out कि देख कितनी
true.
मोटी हो गई है यहाँ से
हाँ,
first time. I mean, it is but natural and they need to understand. I think I always tell them, the ones who come to me for weight loss, just enjoy your phase. Once your kids
true.
grow up, you will start missing everything. So weight loss तो बाद में भी होता रहेगा, but they need to actually give time and enjoy that phase and accept themselves. So that was a very good point, Saili, that you pointed out.
Yeah, so weight loss तो हो ही जाएगा. Don't lose your confidence. I
Yes.
strongly recommend all the women, keep your confidence intact. Always think that you are going to rise, and give some time to yourself. Okay, 2 महीने में नहीं होगा, 4 महीने में मैं कर लूंगी, but I'll make sure I'm consistent on my efforts.
Yes,
Right?
and I would also like to add that don't consider food as a punishment. It is a
True.
nourishment. Most of the time what happens कि उन लोग ये नहीं खाना है, ये नहीं खाना है, नहीं खाना है करके they hamper themselves and
True.
consider food as a punishment, which is very wrong.
Right. and then they start feeling guilty also about it. तो वो पूरा cycle
Actually,
again they get trapped in it.
साइकिल हो
Very
जाता है.
true.
very true.
Another things what we came like PCOD and thyroid. We
And
are going to
thyroid.
talk on this two topic in detail, Shilpa. Audience really wants to know PCOD क्या होता है, क्यों होता है, is it curable, उसको control कर सकते हैं, what are the food or lifestyle changes we really need to have for controlling our PCOD, or maybe totally out of it, keeping it on a bay from our life. What best a woman can actually, how she can come out of this PCOD. So I would like कि आप start करो, बताओ हमें कि actual PCOD क्या होता है, because most of the time एक वर्ड पता रहता है, उसका डेप्थ नहीं पता रहता है कि क्या है ये, क्यों हो रहा है. इफ वी नो द रीजन why this is happening, so it is easy for us to manage it, control it. तो वो हाउ
True.
फैक्टर बहुत इजीली आ जाता है.
ट्रू. सो साइली, यस, पीसीओडी जैसे फुल फॉर्म है उसका पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवेरियन डिजीज. अब ये साउंड बहुत बड़ा करता है. इसमें कई बार क्या होता है कि पीरियड्स इरेगुलर रहते हैं एंड कई बार पीरियड्स रेगुलर भी होते हैं. बहुत पेन होता है, हैवी ब्लीडिंग होती है. जिनके पीरियड्स इरेगुलर होते हैं उनका जो जैसे पॉलीसिस्टिक ओवेरियन डिजीज, मतलब ओवरी रिलीज तो हो रही है बट वो बाहर नहीं निकल रही. यूजुअली जब पीरियड्स आते हैं ओवरी रिलीज होती है, अगर वो कोई स्पर्म से तो दे आर देन रिलीज एंड दैट्स हाउ वी गेट आवर पीरियड्स. बट अगर आपका इरेगुलर पीरियड्स है तो ओवरी वो सिस्ट में रह जा रही है एंड दैट्स नॉट गेटिंग रिलीज एंड that's I mean that's how it becomes irregular periods, and then you need to actually visit the gynec and take treatment for it. And as you asked me ये कैसे होता है, so that is still, I mean, कैसे होता है का is still I can't say कैसे होता है, but yes, I have seen my clients, the ones who are overweight, especially overweight centrally, like if you have too much of weight around your hips and your abdomen. I have seen those girls, especially अगर वो मेरे पास पहले से भी आ रहे हैं and अगर पहले उन्हें नहीं था, and yes, stress, wrong eating habits, of course, yes, adds on to. So it is just not one factor we can point out कि इसके वजह से होता है, but a combination of factors like stress, not eating properly. Not eating properly is actually eating a lot of packaged junk foods, and yes, not exercising and lot of getting a lot of fat accumulated around the central region. So for example, I've seen girls between 18 to 25 getting this very commonly. If you see their lifestyle, they are into their career, so studying for long hours, sitting for long hours, not eating on time. कई बार खाते नहीं हैं तो पेरेंट्स को लगता है जो खा रही है वो दे दो, be it junk. And activity levels are actually less, so either they are preparing for the NEET or they are doing their CA, so very career oriented. Not sleeping on time also, that's the biggest this thing. They study late at night. Yeah, I mean, lockdown, I have seen so many teenagers not even studying but just friends awake and they remain awake till 4 5 in the morning, and the whole circadian
Cycle.
clock gets disturbed, and that is sufficient to disturb your hormone, uh, this thing, the balance in your body. And I think that can also result in PCOD. So that is very important. Now if we are talking about diet for PCOD, so there are a lot of things which actually work. The most important and the priority is, if the person is overweight, the person needs to reduce weight. And if there is a lot of fat around the belly, reducing the fat from the belly helps in regularizing periods, also helps in reducing the flow, and also helps with painful periods. So there are certain foods also like jeera, sauce, coriander, which help in giving them relief from heavy flow and also helps with pain management.
Pain.
Apart from that, the whole diet needs to be worked out in terms of something what we call as seed cycling. So there are two seeds given. prior to the periods and post. So there are a lot of things which can be worked out, and if it is customized, the results are really good. It's taking the person's schedule, what the person is eating. So proteins should be there, a good quality protein, because since it's a hormonal imbalance, each and every hormone is made of proteins. So if your body is deficient in protein, then definitely the hormones can never be balanced. So hormones, enzymes, all this require protein for their functioning. So yes, protein, good quality fats, and so one should not go fat free, should not go for, as we spoke earlier, crash diet, especially with PCOD, because that is again going to cause us stress. So when a person goes follows such kind of diet, when the body is not getting sufficient fuel, the body will take it in form of stress, and again the person may see temporary weight loss and improvement, but in long run there will not be much benefit. So these are a few things, and yes, activity, exercise plays a very important role for a PCOD person.
And what about
Thank you,
thyroid?
Shilpa. Yeah.
Okay, yes, thyroid is another issue which we have
Yes.
been seeing. So thyroid definitely is related to your metabolism. That's the gland which controls your metabolism. So it can be hypothyroid, wherein the metabolism has gone down, the thyroid gland is underactive, or it could be hyper, whereas it is overactive. Generally, we see mainly
Over.
hypothyroidism, wherein a woman tends to put on weight. So yes, in both the condition, one thing is very important is reduce or actually stop the intake of packaged junk food. Here I also mean, even if you're using a packaged masala like garlic, chili paste and sausages, all those should be stopped, because especially
Yes,
in
okay.
PC, they have a lot of preservatives,
Preservative.
additives which can alter your hormonal levels. Coming back to thyroid, yes, eating frequently every 2 to 3 hours is going to help you with your metabolism. So try not to keep too long gaps between your meal. And for thyroid, a proper balanced diet with complex carbs. Complex carbs means basically from whole grains like your all millets, even wheat is not bad if eaten correctly. So you can have bajra, you can have nachni, you can have different millets like foxtail millets and all. Of course, protein plays an important role. Fiber is also important through seasonal fruits and vegetables, and good fats I have been repeating. Yes, so in form of nuts and seeds, everything will help you in balancing. So yes, thyroid functioning also improves with weight loss. And in my practice, I have seen so many women reducing even 5 kgs, 7 kgs, 10 kgs, and their dosages of thyroid medicines going down. Now, it's very important that you have done it because you're motivated. What happens after a year? Everything goes haywire. So be very consistent. So if you're not getting an hour to exercise or to walk, even 10 minutes, 15 minutes, 20, be consistent. For a woman with thyroid, she cannot think that okay, now I have achieved my weight loss और अब मुझे exercise नहीं करनी है. आपको ये हमेशा full life करनी है. Maybe your duration may decrease, or maybe the number of days, but you have to be consistent. You just can't think ki I'm done, I have reached my target weight, doctor has reduced my thyroid medicine, and now I can go back to my this lifestyle. So for both the condition, it is very important to understand your body, be disciplined and be consistent. So initially आप उतना ही टाइम दीजिए जितना आप पूरी लाइफ लॉन्ग दे सकते हो. जस्ट टू रीच अ पर्टिकुलर टारगेट. अभी 1 घंटा एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो, बाद में 10 मिनट भी निकालना मुश्किल है, then you are definitely going to pile up the weight again.
True, true. Thank you so much, Shilpa. And this is really an enlightening. The thing is that what you pointed out is balanced diet, okay? And
Right.
how particular, like in PCOD, how best we can take care of our, particular nutrients. In thyroid, how we can reduce our weight and reduce the doses of the medicine. So this is very, very important. And as you said, consistency and well discipline. I think if you really have to look bright and feel bright, not only from outside but from inside. And when it is really there from inside, definitely the glow will come on your face and your hair, and everything will be, bright. You will be the brightest star around your family, or could be in your friend circle. So the advice what we as a Finding Back team would really like to tell our audience who are watching it, as we said, ki our body is like our temple. हम आधा घंटा प्रेयर्स करना नहीं भूलते हैं, हम प्रॉपर रिचुअल्स के साथ प्रेयर्स करते हैं. ओके, वी फॉलो ऑल द रूटीन प्रॉपरली ऑफ आवर अदर फैमिली मेंबर्स. So start treating your body as a temple. Don't use any crash diet, and don't go to any people and follow them. Go to a right kind of a people who can help you to reclaim your health within the duration what you have decided. Okay, so definitely Shilpa is there, Dhruvi is there. For any query on your diet, on your nutrition, on your physical health, definitely you can contact to us, and you can put your questions on Finding Back Facebook group, or you can email us at connect@findingback.com, which will help us to guide you for your further journey. And that is the mission what we as a Finding Back team is having. So that is what my all request to all the wonderful women over here. Please take care of yourself. You deserve that half an hour for yourself, for your health, so you can save your quality of life, and you can actually flourish in your life by giving the importance of health yourself. You and your family member all will be very healthy. As Shilpa said, we are the backbone of our family. तो अगर backbone ही strong नहीं होगा तो क्या होगा? So wonderful woman, I hope this today's session has made you realize how best we can take care of our health. PCOD and thyroid are curable when you be consistent on your exercise and on your food. So keep that pill away. There is nothing, no concept. अगर pill जितना दूर करोगे उतना बहुत अच्छा है आपके लिए. Diet पे concentrate करो, exercise पे concentrate करो, and everything is achievable. Being disciplined, consistency is a major thing. Changing a tiny habit is a major thing. Never say that half an hour time नहीं मिलता है, to avoid that, complete bed rest. Am I right, Shilpa?
Yes, absolutely. Very true.
So yeah, any query on this, you can put it on the group. Shilpa and Ruby and we Finding Back team will be really glad to help you out in your physical journey. And with this, yeah, Smita is saying wonderful session. Jayashree Deshmukh has said hi to Shilpa, and to all the
Jai
wonderful
Shri.
women who are watching us. Stay tuned for further sessions also. And you still, if you want any other, session, or Finding Back team has to, you are expecting something from a Finding Back team, can take care of other aspects of your life. Feel free to connect to us. Let us know what kind of a guidance and sessions you would really like from us in the future. So with this, we would like to thank you, Shilpa, for helping our women to look after their health in a much better way. And thank you for joining us in our vision of impacting 1,000 women by end of this 2021. And we wish you all the best for your journey, Shilpa. And definitely we will connect with further sessions also. Yeah. Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much,
Yeah,
Shilpa.
thank you so much for inviting. I enjoyed the session as well. So very glad. Thank you.
Yeah, Shilpa, if the audience wants to connect you through our Facebook group, we
Sure,
will connect to them, and we'll sort out their queries also.
sure,
Right?
sure. Yeah.
Yeah. So thank you all the wonderful women who are watching us, and it's time for you to look after yourself and get ready for our next session, which is again an amazing session. Those who have actually requested us to come back with that a very informative session, so we will provide you the details next week. So wish you all the best. Think that I really want to rise high, And if I really want to flourish in my life, I have to nourish. So the nourishment, it will be only when you think that you want to achieve your health and you really want to flourish in your life by putting the right fuel in your body. Yeah. So let's, with this, we are ending the session of Fuel Right to Feel Bright. Once again, thank you, Shilpa. Thank you, Dhruvi, and wonderful audience to you. Have a lovely weekend. Yeah. Bye bye.